time zone class is a subclass of tzinfo, else each instance of these represents a time zone defined by a fixed offset from UTC. Objects of this class cannot be used to represent time zone information in the locations where different offsets are used in different days of the year or where historical changes have been made to civil time. Class datetime.timezone offset name is equal to none. The offset argument must be specified as time delta object representing the difference 1 minute representing the difference between the local time and UTC. It must be strictly between minus time delta hours 24 and time delta hours 24. Otherwise, value error is raised. The name argument is optional. If specified, it must be a string that will be used as the value returned by the datetime.tz name method. Timezone.utc offset dt return the fixed value specified when the time zone instance is constructed. The dt argument is ignored. The return value is a time delta instance equal to the difference between the local time and etc. Timezone.tz name dt return the fixed value specified when the time zone instance is constructed. If name is not provided in the constructor, the name returned by tzName dt is generated from the value of the offset as follows. If offset is time delta 0, the name is UTC, otherwise it is a string in the format UTC plus minus HH colon mm, where plus minus is the sign of the offset. HH and mm are two digits of offset.hours and offset.minutes respectively. Timezone.dst dt always returns none. Timezone.from UTC dt return dt plus offset. The dt argument must be an aware datetime instance with tzinfo set to self. Class attributes timezone.utc the UTC time zone time delta 0. Thank you.